Everyone, we are from Government Degree College, Huzurabad District, Karimnagar. Our project is Tricks in Vedic Mathematics. Under the guidance of Srimati D. Swaruparani, lecturer in Mathematics, myself M. Priyanka, BSc second year. In this topic, objectives, introduction, method, problem description, conclusion. To study the effectiveness of Vedic mathematics, techniques of enhancing the performance of the studies in solving mathematical calculations like multiplications. To study the effectiveness of Vedic mathematics, techniques of enhancing the time taken by the students in solving problems. Over to Archana.
Introduction. Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques to solve mathematically arithmetic in easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus. Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by Indian mathematicians. Using regular mathematical steps, solving problems, sometimes Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtharaj Maharaj in the period between 1911 and 1918 and published his finding in a Vedic mathematics book by Tirtharaj Maharaj. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. History of Vedic mathematics. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtharaj Maharaj was born in March 1884 in the Puri village, Orissa state. He was very good in subjects like mathematics, science, humanities, and was excellent in Sanskrit language. Over to Soumya.
Advantages of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics can be definitely solve mathematical numerical calculations in faster way. Some Vedic mathematics scholar mentioned that using Vedic math tricks you can do calculations 10 to 15 times faster than our usual methods. I agree these two methods extend because some methods in Vedic mathematical are really very fast, but some of these methods are dependent on specific numbers which are to be calculated. They are called specific methods. Multiplication in Vedic mathematics. Tirtharaj Maharaj has classified tricks multiplying numbers in Vedic mathematics in specific and general methods. Specific multiplication methods can be applied when numbers satisfy certain conditions, like both numbers closer to 100 or numbers closer to each other. Addition or last digits of both numbers is 10 seconds. Over to Divya.
Classified in the form of sutras as below. First one Nikalam Sutra, second one Anurupena Sutra. First taken as Nikalam Sutra. This is most simplest trick to multiply a number using Vedic mathematics. I personally like this method a lot as multiplication can be done is mine as well. Methods 3 types. Nikalam type 1, Nikalam type 2, Nikalam type 3. Will generated 3 cases. And formulas used x plus a cross x minus b is equal to x of x plus a minus b minus ab. And second one x minus a cross x plus b is equal to x of x minus a plus b minus ab. For example, 99 cross 98. Step 1. Check the base. Here base is 100. So we are allowed to have two digits on the right hand side. Therefore, 99 1 less than 100, that is 0 1 deficiency, and 98 2 less than 100, that is 0 2 deficiency. Step 2. Cross subtract. 99 minus 02 is equal to 97 and 98 minus 01 both same, so first part of answer is 97. Step 3. Multiply vertically. 01 cross 02 is equal to 02. So 100, so 2 digits are allowed in second part. So 99 cross 98 is equal to 9702. Over to Sania.
Conclusion. One can learn Vedic mathematics from an early age and basic knowledge of multiplication. When you use Vedic maths, you use both your left and the right brain hemisphere. The left side of the brain is the seat of language and processes in a logical and sequential order. The right side is more visual and randomly. This boosts memory and concentration. Since you are doing calculations mentally without the use of pen or paper, you are actually concentrating. This develops the concentration. Thus, Vedic mathematics is nothing but few tricks that helps in solving mathematical calculations quite easily.
And thank you.